If you were to guess what this is, you probably wouldn't say it's one of the most potent natural supplements on earth. You probably wouldn't guess that it's millions of years old. And you might be shocked to hear it's made entirely of plants. You might not be surprised to know it smells like a tar-like fuel substance. And that might actually explain why it's been used as an energy source for humans for thousands of years. A natural source to increase energy, boost strength, improve fertility, reduce inflammation, improve spiritual awareness, and protect your brain. And so you might be right to question, if everything I said is true, why this has been kept a secret from you for all this time.